Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2017 Hyundai i20 SE. This car comes with the 1.4 petrol engine and the automatic gearbox, which is Ulez compliant, returning up to 45 miles to the gallon. An insurance group of just 9, so ideal for new drivers. And this is a one owner vehicle with a very low mileage of just over 13,000 miles and comes with full service history from Hyundai. This particular colour is the Metallic Sleek Silver, and it's in great condition, third year mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior. The seats there, as you can see, are in really good condition. And there's a couple of cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you've got your DAB radio there in the centre with a CD player and Bluetooth for your phone. And a few other features like I mentioned. The car also has air conditioning. And then on the driver's door card there, you have your electric mirror and 4 window controls. As you open the rear doors, you've got a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back for a hatchback. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and there's also a bit of extra storage space there in the centre for the rear passengers too. And opening the tailgate on the i20 reveals a good sized boot there with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, which is also adjustable, you've got a bit of extra storage there. And below the base floor, you've also got a space saver wheel, so that's great to see these days. Externally, the car comes with the 15-inch alloy wheels and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.